today we are going to start a Christmas decoration for Christmas coming up. So since winter is coming around, we are going to make some 3D snowflakes to decorate your house or room with. The materials you will need will be 6 pieces of paper, square, and if it's not square, then you have to cut it like how I did. I did it off camera, however. You will need tape and a stapler. And don't forget scissors. Now, before we start, I have a very special announcement to make. Can we have a drum roll, please? I'm going to start posting every week on Wednesday. To start off, you are going to need your piece of paper, and you're going to go ahead and fold it in half diagonally. So you have a triangle, and then you're going to fold that in half again. So now you have even a smaller triangle, and you're going to crease it. Now you're going to go ahead and grab your scissors, and you're going to grab the part that is creased, not the part that's open. And you're going to grab your scissors, and you are going to go ahead and make 3 slits. However far apart you want them to be, doesn't really have to be perfect, but you'll make 3 slits, so 3 slices, and now you should have 4 pieces of paper, 4 different slices, but make sure you don't cut all the way because you still want them to be attached. Now you are going to open up your piece of paper. Okay, now you should have this like diamond or square with a whole ton of slits in it. So this is when your tape is going to come in handy. So you are going to go ahead and grab these 2 middle pieces and grab the 2 tips and match them in the center so that you have a little, like a circle now. You're going to grab a tiny piece of tape, and I mean tiny, you do not want big. Like this is the biggest I would go, and that's even big already. And you're going to tape the 2 corners together so that now you have the circle, you don't have to hold it, it's just gonna stay there. Now you're going to go ahead and skip the next part, and you're going to grab the second outest one, the second outest layer, as I would say. So you're going to grab another tiny piece of tape, and you're going to grab the second outest 2 pieces, and you're going to form a circle just like the smaller one by putting the 2 tips together and taping it. Now you're going to flip the snowflake or piece of paper over, and you're going to grab what is now the most inner piece, and you're going to fold it into a triangle again and tape it. So now you have a piece going this way and a piece going that way. So you are going to go ahead and do that to the most outer piece again, making sure it is going the same way that you just did your last one, the opposite way you did your first 2, so that now you will have 2 pieces going to the left and 2 pieces going to the right. So now I'm going to go ahead and make 1 more of this, and I'll go ahead and speed that up so that you don't have to watch this all over again. Okay, so now that I have 2 of these really cool looking, I guess we're going to call them leaves or petals, we're going to go ahead and now combine the 2. So this is when your stapler is going to come in. Now tape can work, it just won't really hold as strong and it will fall apart very easily. So how I'm going to do is it's going to be connected like this. So first, you're going to go ahead and put the two tips at the end together. And you're going to very carefully staple it together without stapling your fingers. And now, to give it even more secure so it's not flopping around like this, we're going to grab these two center pieces that are close to each other. And you're going to go and staple that together. Now, I've noticed the easiest way to staple this together is from going on top and then going from on top and then going down and stapling. So now you have a very strong piece that they won't fall apart or anything. So now I'm going to go ahead and create another one of these. So I will create basically one more combo or two of these, but I'm going to have them connected. So we'll just snap my fingers, I guess. Oh wow, that worked. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the same exact thing we did with the first one. We're going to grab the two tips and we're going to staple that together. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the two center ends so that they're not flopping around. And we'll go ahead and staple that together. Again, me finding it easier that we go from the top. Just a little hack I have, I guess. So now you have basically half a snowflake, but we're still missing something. I think, oh yeah, we have to make another pair. So that's why we need 6 pieces. So if you forgot how to make one of these, you can go back to the beginning of the video. It's not that hard. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Alrighty, and there's our last pair. So you're going to go ahead once again, staple it into the center, or you can just go ahead and do these two sides first and then staple it in the center, which I found a lot easier. So I'm going to grab these two ends and we're just going to go ahead and staple the two ends together. And then we're going to grab these other two ends, also staple them together so they stay in place. And then I go to the tip and staple the tip together. I'm sorry, but for some reason I lost the footage. So now here's your whole snowflake. Now if you want, you can use colored pieces of paper so it's not bland white, or you can keep it as white like a snowflake is, or even better yet, you can like have a white snowflake and then like spray paint it, or really do whatever you want. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Oh, and if you guys want to know how to make a smaller one, it's not going to be like this, but if you want another version of a snowflake that will definitely be smaller, just go and comment down or go to my Instagram, which is The Kids World of DIY, and you will see another version. But just to let you guys know, if you guys don't comment or request it, I'm not going to make one, so sorry. But yeah, I have bigger ideas for videos.